I did the wager saver. It gave winner and it gave me the bonus. I have 0 credits in the machine. Nothing. Let's get, there they are. Let's get it. Bring me that feature, please. And re-triggers. Come on, you can do it. Get it. Win something, please. This is game 7 of 10. 8 of 10. Oh no. Come on, baby. 9. Finish strong. Re-trigger. Yes. Oh, thank goodness. 10 more games, I hope. 10. 5. We have to do it in 5 games. $5 for the scatter. Feel free to re-trigger again. Get it, get it, get it. Nope. Come on, win something. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yay. Those are dimes. Okay, words. Get it. Words. Yes. Oh, that's a word. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. 4 of anything. 1's been left. Come on, anything, anywhere. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yay. Wager Saver to the rescue. That's amazing. I had 450 in there. I did it. I said, well, it'd be funny if it doesn't give it, meaning if it just went doo-doo, but it gave me the winner and then it somehow triggered the bonus. And I think I still have a spin left. Yay. Well, that's big fun. We're just going to enjoy this for a moment. It'll be over in a few seconds. Yay. Who doesn't love a coin show? Okay, I think, oh yeah, last spin. Get something. Nope. Well, that was fun. Let's get a backup spin. We'll be back if we get something else. Oh, we almost got something else. We have to do another backup spin. 1 more spin. We'll be back. No, thank you. I just got the bonus on high limit lightning cash. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's get the feature. Come on, Chip. Cards. I don't know if that lines up. It's moving. It might line up. We're at Pachanga Resort and Casino. We want a nice big chip right there. Maybe something with a word on it. Let's get it. $50? Chip. No. Chip. Come on. Briefcase might be fun. Get something good. Uh-oh. We need something right here. Oh no. $50. Let's get a backup spin. And 1 more. We'll be back if we get something else.
It's taking my money. All of my precious money. Give me some words. Oh, I saw something green there. one. Backup spin.
Just got a bonus on high limit lightning cash. Let's see what happens. We're looking for words and super big numbers. Oh, those are good numbers. But we want bigger ones. Come on, let's get some words in here. Come on, get some words. Get some words. Keep it going. If we fill it up, it's $60,000. Fill it up. We need something anywhere. Anything at all. Okay. Let's see what we get. We know that mini's 100. $5 bet, 10-cent denomination. Yay! Oh, 50x bonus, not bad at all. Indeed. Okay, let's get a backup spin. There's a progressive. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, one more because we almost. We'll be back if we get something else.
Saying that nobody's gotten the bonus on this one.
Let's get it. Come on, put a nice big coin right in the center. Pearl, pearl. Nice. So, after he was done with his machine, Johnny moved 2 to the right where that large hand pay was. With the lady that's betting $50 a spin. And he decided to put in 100 and see what happens. Oh, retrigger. Come on, do something amazing in the center. Nope. Retrigger or pearl. Nope. That's $35 up. Is that the one? Pearl. Oh, good. Come on, line it up. Oh, the fish does line up. It's wiggling. I don't know about the 10, but the fish does. It's 50 lines, it should line up. No coin show or anything. 76.50. Come on, Johnny. Coin. Pearl. Nope. Well,
Queen.
not the greatest, but the queen lines up. Did you break 100? Oh, 92.50. Let's get a backup spin. We'll be back if he gets something else. Come on, Johnny, get it. Get it. As you can see, 6650. His credits went down a little bit, but he got another one. Took what, 3 minutes? 4 minutes?
Something like that.
Come on, her. No.
Coin.
Pearl. Oh. Someone just got a hand pay. Come on. Oh, nines and fish. Oh, got the fish. It's on the dollar machines over there. They well, probably $25 machines. Come on. Oh, one spin left. Retrigger. Okay. Fish in the center. No 5 of a kind. $90.50. Let's get a backup spin. I'm gonna go see that hand pay over there. I'll tell you about it. We'll be back as soon as we get something. He got another one. Let's see. Come on, get that pearl. And a retrigger might be fun. Nothing. Her, no. Oh, a treasure, yes. Thank goodness. Each one of those each line of that is $5. Oh, it's doing its little bubbles and stuff up there. It's excited about this one. Oh, $62. Wild. Oh, retrigger, good. Now get that pearl. Come on, a nice big pearl with a big word in it. Get it, Johnny. Pearl. No. Pearl. Come on, 7 of 9, her. Nope. Oh, you got a pearl. Okay, it's a small one, but there could be really big ones on both sides. Fill it up. Get it. Anything, anywhere. Come on, anything, anywhere. Oh. $25. That's not nice. Come on, Pearl. Re-trigger. Oh, yes.
$75.
Oh, this is your biggest bonus on this machine, huh? Fill it up. Just land 3 on each side right now. Get it. Oh, I saw the mini go by. Yes. Yes. 3 more. Fill it up. Anything. Come on. Anything. Well, that was a good end of the bonus at least. Winner! You are definitely a winner today. Great job. What do you have? 192. Johnny got another one. Go ahead. You just keep looking that way. Fill it up. I'll tell you something good comes. Keep it going. Keep going. Still in the vicinity? Keep going. Come on, anything, anywhere. Anything, anywhere. Yes. $75. That's a good one. Come on, Johnny. Oh, $50. Keep it going. $25. Oh, keep going. Nothing. I'll tell you. Keep going. Get anything, anywhere. Anything. Anything. Nope.
This is a really good one.
Yeah, this is. You have to keep your eyes over there. What happened?
Nothing.
Oh, that's a good one. Haha! Good job. Let's get that backup spin. Quickly. What happened, Johnny?
I just got the bonus again.
Come on, Johnny. He cashed out his other ticket for $599.
Oh, I saw the miners. Oh, $100.
Oh my gosh. I am so glad you moved over to this machine. You're just fun. Come on. Anything, anywhere.
50.
Come on.
I just want 50.
Anywhere.
$5.
Anything, anywhere. Okay.
It's okay.
There you go. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it, please. Backup spin. Here we go. Nailed it. Okay, bye.
Good job.
Let me combine these tickets.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing or clicking on that bell icon to be notified when we put up another video. Or click on one of these fun, exciting videos.